I've seen this hazelnut cream cheese pie recipe for a while now, and I wanted to give it a try. Boy, am I glad I did. Oh, yeah. Homestead kitchen living. Let's make cooking fun again. You'll just need a few simple ingredients that you can get at your local grocery store, and you'll make a dessert so delicious that you'll enjoy it again and again. Here you see me making the crust for the pie with just some graham crackers and some melted butter. So simple. Now you mix the bottom layer with 8 ounces of cream cheese and 8 ounces of Nutella. Just blend that together and add that to your pie crust. That's your first layer of your hazelnut cream cheese pie. Now you whip up some heavy cream, add some powdered sugar, add 8 ounces of softened cream cheese and blend that together. Now add this to your pie. This is your second layer, and sprinkle some graham cracker crumbs over the top. Make some chocolate frosting by mixing 1 cup of powdered sugar and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Now add your milk a little bit at a time until you get the desired consistency for your frosting. Cut a hole in a plastic bag, add your frosting to the plastic bag, and pipe the icing onto the pie, as you see in the video here. Refrigerate for 3 to 4 hours. Cut yourself a slice of pie and enjoy.